Well, hello and welcome back to Grad Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here, and today we're going to talk all about the differentiation between the public universities and the private universities to study in Germany. But before that, if you're someone who is looking for study in Germany, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of the doubts. In Germany, the higher education is clearly divided into two basic formats, that is a public university and a private university, each offering their unique features and advantages. In Germany, both public and private universities offers high quality education, but there is a distinguish between them. And today we are going to discuss in detail about it. We are going to discuss total 5 distinguished points between public universities and the private universities. Start with the very first point is funding and tuition fees. So if we talk about the public universities, so it is funded by the state, so it has typically lower tuition fees for students. In many cases, public universities charge only a nominal semester fee which covers administrative costs and other services. Some federal states have reintroduced tuition fees for non-EU international students, but these are usually still lower compared to the private institutions. And if we talk about the private universities, as it is funded through private resources like tuition fees, donations and corporate sponsorships. Consequently, tuition fees are significantly higher than those at public universities. This funding model allows private universities to have more flexibility in their program and facilities. The second major point is course offerings and specializations. Public universities offer wide ranges of courses and specializations, often with a strong focus on research and academic theory. They typically provide extensive choices in fields ranging from humanities to engineering, whereas private universities often focus on specific area of study or industry-relevant programs. They may offer more specialized courses and have strong ties with industry, potentially providing more practical training and networking opportunities. The third distinguish is class size and student support. Class size can be a common in public universities, which might affect the level of individual attention students receive. However, they usually offer a range of student services, including counseling, academic support, and extracurricular activities. Private universities tend to have smaller size, which lead to more personalized attention and closer relationships with faculty. They often provide additional student support services, including career counseling and internships opportunities. The fourth major distinguish is campus life and facilities. Public university offers diverse campus life experience with a wide range of student organization, events, and facilities. They often have extensive libraries, sport facilities, and other resources. Private universities may offer more modern and specialized facilities due to their funding model. Campus life might be more intimate and focused, with an emphasis on professional development and networking. The fifth and the most important distinguish is international recognition. In public universities, generally it has strong international reputations and are recognized globally. Many have established partnerships with universities and institutions around the world. Whereas private universities' international recognition can vary. Some of the private universities have strong global ties, especially those with focus on business or international studies. So these were the major distinguish between the public universities and the private universities for studying in Germany. Both of them have their own unique qualities and points to be recognized before going for further studies. So what do you think? Which one is for you? Public universities or private universities? So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad Dreams.